Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to share with you some travel essentials that I take with me when I feel the need to sketch out something and I don't want to carry a lot with me. So first off, I usually always have a mechanical pencil with, and I've been really enjoying sketching out with colored leads. So I have this colored lead from Staedtler, and I also have an eraser. So this is basically for sketching out, and it doesn't hold up a lot of space in my bag. The next item that I would recommend you try while traveling are these brush pens. It's much easier than to have a jar and an actual brush, and they hold water, they can hold ink, they can hold liquid watercolors. I usually take a bigger one with me and a smaller one for details. Now they're not very accurate and they're not my favorite, but for travel purposes I think they work just fine. So another thing I recently discovered, and I think it's one of the best things you can take while traveling if you like adding color to your paintings, is the Viviva Colorsheets. These are so small, as you can see, compared to my phone. It's pretty much the same size, even smaller. And the one I have comes with 16 colors, and colors are very vibrant. I've talked about this before on my channel. You also have a mixing palette, which is great. So yeah, I highly recommend these if you like sketching and adding color to your sketch. And also they're not extremely expensive, and they hold a lot of pigment. So if you like more traditional watercolors, then this Winsor and Newton color palette is ideal for traveling. They're half pans, and you get this kind of tray where you can mix your colors, and also a small pocket where you can add water. So it's really good to have it if you like more traditional watercolors to use while you're away. But I find it kind of difficult to sketch out while you're out and about, so this works probably fine if you sketch everything at the hotel you're staying or in the Airbnb or wherever. For that, size wise it's great, you can hold it in your hand very easily, and Winsor and Newton do some of the finest watercolors available. So another purchase I recently made and I really enjoy while traveling to have with me are these Colorsheets Prismacolor pencils. You've seen me talk about them. I've used them in my New York sketchbook. Basically the whole idea of these pencils is that you can erase them, so they kind of work like a regular pencil, only they're colorful. So I highly enjoy that. As I said, I like sketching out in color, so yeah, these work perfectly for that. And you can also shade with them and do all kinds of gradients. So usually I don't take all this set with me. I had it in New York with me because I bought it there, but I usually take about 2 or 3 colors, and that's enough for me since I like to add my colors using watercolors or some sort of liquid medium. This is pretty much what I use while traveling, but another great option are markers. The Posca markers are really good, but do be careful with them. If you shake them up a bit too much, you might just squirt paint everywhere. So yeah, let me know in the comment sections which are your favorite travel items and what have you tried. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!